Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove old devices from your device manager in Windows 11. This will apply for Windows 10 and Windows 7 and Windows 8 as well, but this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video, guys. I want you guys to copy one at a time. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste in the first one. Hit enter. And then you want to paste in the second one the same way you did the first one here. And now that Device Manager is open, you want to select the View tab, and then select Show Hidden Devices. Now, if you double click on any of the items here, you'll notice there'll be grayed out or less transparent devices listed. You'll right click on anything that is not being used, so it's an old driver. You can just right click on it and then just uninstall device. And you can go through here. Again, you would just go ahead and search for anything that was perhaps hidden. And that's pretty much it. Again, it will just show you in a very grayed out format here. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. Again, you can see I got a network adapter. We got a whole bunch that are not being used here. So pretty straightforward. Do a buzz, it will help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.